Hey there guys, welcome to another video here on the channel, as we've been invited to ride a particular ride that isn't open to the general public for another week. We are riding Tiana's tonight at a very special event. No vinyls on these windows. Johnny, I don't want to see this until Wednesday. No spoilers. No spoilers. Just take me to the event. Drop me off at Tiana's. Okay. Here we go. In the distance, Tiana's Bayou adventure. I mean, I never saw Splash Mountain in person, obviously. But this looks something special.
You can get a better picture.
Right, so behind me is the ride we're about to board with this little golden ticket. I cannot wait to get on board that. It does look phenomenal. I've got nothing to compare it to, Johnny. I've got nothing to compare it to.
I have a lot, but I'm interested to see.
Also pointed something out. I'm going to tell you about it now. Let me just turn the camera around. This is themed around New Orleans, correct? New Orleans, not New Orleans. Not New Orleans. Will all this area be changed to match this? Who knows? It would make sense because it's kind of like standing out like a sore thumb at the moment.
Thank you.
Nobody knows this better than Princess Tiana, which is why she uses Adam & Mills for all of her baking needs.
Yeah, that's a long queue line. I'm going to take you for the full walkthrough. Why not? Let's be generous. Lovely cool fan. Hey, you're right. I can't wait just to get this experience, this opportunity. Shake off salt before leaving mines. Salt mines reserved for seasoned veterans. This looks incredible. Absolutely incredible. TNT storage. It's a lot to take in. It's a lot to take in. There's a lot of "you may get wet" signs. Why do I feel as though they've improved the quantity of water that's splashed upon you? Have they raised the water levels? Have they made it more intense? Is the splashdown crazier than ever before? Straight to the station. Look how cool this is. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Look at all these beautiful faces. Let's join loose up ahead and find some positions for our party. We're going to the clouds.
Hello? Anyone down here who can blow the horn and jam? Hello?
People all come here from everywhere, and I'm almost there. I'm almost people down here think I'm crazy.
If you're looking for musicians, you got that far to go. Tell the people that the told you so.
Tiana was right. There are musicians out here and they are cooking.
There's a Vietnamese. I would love for y'all to play at my party tonight.
Tiana, you were right. The Bayou's got just what we need.
I hope they all come to the party soon. But let's explore. Come on. They sure can't play, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
How long can I go?
Time to make money. Time to get money.
Where'd they go?
We lost them.
We have to find them.
Wait a minute, little buddy.
But you found the sound I was craving.
Juju said it's time I get you back to size. But invite your little friends to tag along too. Now let's get you to the party. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed.
You did a better job blocking the front of that side.
No worries.
Hey, your shirt's clean.
Does that mean you're going on the rapids at Universal now?
See y'all again soon. Tiana sure knows how to make a party special.
Gotta start selling coffee
Oh my god.
On speed and legs inside the vehicle.
My review. From all the POVs that I've seen of Splash Mountain, I can only go by POVs, so this is where the dislikes and the hate comments might come in. Bear with me, I'm a Disney noob, I apologise, I'm sorry. I know how passionate you are about Splash Mountain, but I liked the updated technology in there. They've made more of an effort on the external facade. I just think that Splash Mountain had that nostalgia for people. In addition to that, what I will say is I didn't understand the story. I didn't know what was going on. There was some sort of party, but it really doesn't explain itself very well. people said the main criticism was a lot of dark spaces. I didn't really notice any dark spaces. If there was dark spaces, because it was nighttime, and that played into the fact that it was nighttime. So it wasn't dark spaces, there was theming behind there. Maybe a few little bits of extra lighting would actually spruce up those scenes to stop people complaining. People said the audio issues, the audio was too low. Didn't find that at all. Every dialogue was very, very audible. There was no sort of missed dialogue, skipped dialogue. Animatronics are superb. Do I think it's better than Splash Mountain? Of course I'm going to say yes, because I've never done Splash Mountain. So for that intents and purposes, yes, it's much better. It's an improvement, in my opinion. Please don't hate me. I've never done Splash. I don't know any better. I have no idea. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!